So much of the time, we look for clarity by thinking harder, replaying conversations, running through options, trying to reason our way forward. And yet, the answer often isn't missing, it's just being ignored. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote invites us to shift where we listen, especially when the mind feels crowded or unsure. Clarity arrives when you listen to what your body already knows. This quote reminds us that understanding doesn't live only in thought. The body is constantly responding, signaling, and adjusting long before the mind catches up. Tightness, ease, fatigue, energy. These are not distractions, they're information. When we override the body in favor of logic alone, confusion grows. The mind can argue endlessly. The body, however, tends to be honest. It reacts to alignment and misalignment immediately. Listening doesn't mean acting on every sensation. It means including the body in the conversation instead of silencing it as attention turns inward. Clarity often becomes simpler. You notice what feels sustainable and what doesn't, what brings steadiness and what creates strain. The body doesn't shout, it speaks quietly, consistently, and without agenda. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. When you're unsure about something, pause and check in physically. Notice your breath, your posture, your tension. Ask yourself what feels supportive rather than what sounds correct. Carry that awareness with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to force clarity into existence. Sometimes it arrives the moment you start listening differently. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. The body holds quiet wisdom, and clarity deepens when awareness includes sensation. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.